In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Google Chrome ERR Quick protocol error. This quick and simple tutorial will guide you through the steps needed to resolve this error, so you can get back to browsing without any hiccups. Let's dive in. First, we begin by opening Google Chrome. Once it's up and running, you'll need to type Chrome flags in the address bar at the top. This command takes you to Chrome's internal settings page, where you'll find a wealth of experimental features to explore. But don't worry, we're only here for one specific feature today. Next, in the search bar that appears on this page, type in QuickIC. Doing so will help you zero in on the correct setting among many others. This is an important step because Chrome's default behavior includes supporting the QuickIC protocol, which can sometimes run into issues and cause errors like the one you're experiencing. Once the search results populate, you'll want to look for an entry labeled Experimental Quick Protocol. Click on the drop-down menu next to it and set it to disabled. By doing this, we'll effectively turn off this experimental feature, which can be the root cause of your browsing problems. Afterwards, it's important to restart your Chrome browser to ensure the changes take effect. Closing and reopening the browser is a simple way to do this, allowing it to load anew without the experimental protocol running. The next step involves clearing your browser's cache. This process helps remove any stored data that Chrome might be using, which could potentially complicate your browsing experience further if left uncleared. To do this, press Ctrl plus Shift or plus Delete if you're on a Windows computer, or CMD plus Shift plus Delete on a Mac. A menu should pop up, and you'll want to select All Time from the drop-down menu. Then, make sure to check the box next to cached images and files before clicking Clear Data. This will scrub your browser clean of any cached content that could be affecting its performance. Finally, you want to verify that your Chrome is up to date. Outdated software can sometimes lead to errors, so keeping your browser updated is always good practice. To check for updates, type Chrome/settings/help into the address bar. This will take you to a page where Chrome will automatically check for and install any available updates, ensuring you have the latest version ready to go. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you should be able to resolve the ERR Quick protocol error and resume browsing seamlessly. Remember, keeping your browser settings optimized and up to date helps in avoiding such problems in the future. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing!